in some trouble. That's it. Now, if I go past him, yeah, I might as well I guess I should teach that one. If I go past him, so what happened there is I threw this punch. Now, if I didn't like James, I would have conked him on the way by. But once we get here, I'm actually in a perfect position that if my barrel goes the other way, just changing my direction, it'll knock him off right over top of my leg. Okay, so that's an application, just stay there. An application of washing the barrel, which is one of the Fujigongfa. It looks like this. All I'm doing is I'm changing its direction halfway through. So yeah, drunkard washes the barrel. That's pretty good. Yeah. All right, let's do another one from the outside. Yeah, okay. So this time he decides to punch me in the face as per usual, and I'm going to deflect upwards instead. We're always taking our barrel some direction other than where he wants it to be, because he wants it to just get destroyed and smash me, right? So wherever I decide to deflect that power, it makes the rest of the barrel move. Okay, so any force he gives me here, I roll back my body and I let this come right up underneath into his rib cage, up into his shoulder in a perfect world. Step in through, looks just like one of our drinks, doesn't it? And we end up in the same position. If I slide through, as soon as I turn my direction, he's going to go back down onto the ground. So that just looks like this. It's the same move, just on a vertical axis instead of that first one being on the horizontal axis, right? One more. So I roll back and take a drink. Let that push me underneath. Hit him in the shoulder or armpit or ribs or whatever. Face if it's sticking down. And then once you're here, bring the whole system back down to put him on the floor. Always rolling the barrel. Always rolling the barrel.